To buy Bitcoin on Phantom, you need to have a Phantom wallet set up and connected to a cryptocurrency exchange or a payment service that supports Bitcoin purchases. Start by opening the Phantom application and navigating to the account section to ensure your wallet is properly set up and ready for transactions. Next, you need to connect your Phantom wallet to a compatible exchange or service, such as FTX or MoonPay, that allows you to purchase Bitcoin directly within the Phantom interface. This connection is usually facilitated through the Phantom browser extension or mobile app, depending on your device. After connecting your wallet to the chosen exchange or service, you will be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. In this case, Bitcoin. Choose the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy, and the interface will display the current market price and the total cost, including any applicable fees. Before completing the purchase, review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct, including the amount of Bitcoin, the price, and the fees. If you are satisfied with the transaction details, confirm the purchase, and the Bitcoin will be transferred to your Phantom wallet. It is essential to note that buying Bitcoin involves risks, and market prices can fluctuate rapidly. Always do your own research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with buying Bitcoin, as they can vary depending on the exchange or service you use. To keep your Bitcoin and Phantom wallet secure, use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, and keep your wallet and connected devices up to date with the latest security patches. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely buy Bitcoin on Phantom and start building your cryptocurrency portfolio.